Hello. Welcome to my blog. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So here I am. Okay, so today I just want to show to my new phone, which is Vivo Y01. Okay, so ito po yung Vivo Y01 ko. So it only costs 5,499 pesos. Could you imagine that? At saka maganda na po siya, widescreen. And then what's the best thing is that my free po siya na memory card, which is 64 gigabytes. Okay, so just in case that you don't like the phone, you only want to get the free memory card, then sulit na po. Or if you just wanted to use the phone pang music mo lang or anything, because not everyone like Vivo phones. Okay. Well, so far, as for me, I'm really a huge fan of Huawei phones. So, kasi parang natural kasi yung camera. Ayoko nung mga phones na parang hindi ako kapag nagtitake ako ng picture. Nakaka-disappoint po yun sa part ng mga tao makikita ko in person. Right? Okay. So, anyway, alright. I just wanna do a share screen. So, sulit na sulit po ang 5,499 pesos nyo. Kasi may free memory card po siya that costs 1,800 pesos. So, san ka pa? So, it seems like the phone is like 4,000. Yes, 4,700 pesos. Okay? So, kung sa sinaunang panahon pa ng hapon, no. Anyway, kung dati hindi ka na makakabili ng phone, the amount of 4,700 na as high-tech as now, right? But these days, since mahigpit ang kompetisyon, okay, so kaya nila ito ginagawa. Alright, I hope that you can see my screen. Okay. Alright, ganito po yung phone ko, which is Sapphire Blue. So, yeah. Okay, I want to show you the information. So, dimensions 163.96 times 75.2 times 8.28 millimeters, weight 178 grams, charging power 10 watts. So, material plastic. So far, so good po siya for me. Okay, so if I'm gonna rate it to 1 to 10, okay po siya. Pero ayoko lang talaga ng slim na phone. Ayoko ng slim na phone. Yeah. Okay, tawagin na ako sa unang tao. Pero ayoko na masyadong slim. Siguro mag-change ako ng casing niya. And also processor Helio P35 RAM 2 GB, storage 32 gigabytes, and not only that, right? Kasi nga may battery 5,000 mAh, TYP, and yung memory card, right? So the color, yeah, mine is Sapphire Blue, operating system Fun Touch OS 11.1. So size 6.51 inch and resolution 1600 yes times 720 HD plus. Type LCD IPS, touch screen, capacitive, multi-touch, digital camera. So just like what I have mentioned, okay siya, pero yun na nga. Face beauty, photo, video, time lapse. Face beauty, ayoko nito. Ayoko. Please just I want to have a good camera, however, not like this po. Na yung parang hindi na po ako. Ayoko nun. Oh, so just like a usual phone, so may 2 nano SIMs na pwede mo i-attach plus 1 micro SD. So, yun na nga. Media, audio playback, audio video playback, video recording, voice recording. So same thing, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, GPS. Okay. Alright. So, yun lang so far. So, ano naman ang box? Memory card, USB cable, USB power adapter, eject tool, phone case, protective film. So again, that's all for Vivo Y01. Thank you so much and 谢谢再见. Thank you. I hope that you have learned something. Murang-mura po. Subscribe. Thank you. God bless.